Today I will talk about the most useful app for all medical staff. Hippocrates. Hippocrates is one of the most popular online doctor apps available for iOS and Android devices. From finding drug information such as effects and side effects through calculating the person's BMI, describing different diagnoses. Hippocrates is the one of the best web doctor apps. UpToDate. Even the best doctor needs to double check certain medical information from time to time to be able to answer all medical questions. Luckily, there is an app that can answer all those questions for them. UpToDate can be used on Android and iOS devices, and it will help you gather all the necessary medical information anywhere, anytime. MedPage Today. MedPage Today will let you choose your specialty and then customize the type of information accordingly. Thanks to this, you will always be up to speed with the newest discoveries, research, and procedures in your field. Lexicomp. Lexicomp is a medical app with a great database of disease, particularly infectious disease, oral disease, and toxicology. In addition to that, it offers useful information about drugs and their effect. You can also access calculators and medical dictionaries thanks to this app everywhere at any time. It is available for Android devices as well as for iPhone and iPad. 3D4 medical app let you inspect human anatomy with the latest 3D technology. You can see an entire human body, zoom in on the parts you need to see up close. Muscle Trigger Point. Muscle Trigger Point app will help you understand muscle trigger point and the points that cause pain. On the trigger point is identify the app will recommend the best course of treatment. Visualdx is all about images with 90,000 images featuring all kinds of medical conditions. This app will help you understand all kinds of skin disease and skin types. It is helpful both for diagnosing patients as well as for choosing the best course of treatment. Medscape is one of the best applications for all medical staff. Get the latest medical news, clinical trial coverage, drug updates, journal articles, CME activities, and more on Medscape. One of the Apple Store's most downloaded medical app, Medscape can retrieve new articles from 34 different health fields. It also includes a very useful clinical reference section that contains safety guidelines on drugs, video on various procedures, and education activities for students. IBM Micromedex is one of the most useful medical applications for all medical staff. The drug reference app is a subset of the full Micromedex site. It contains summary drug information on over 4,000 terms. The new drug information content is available approximately every 4 weeks. Information about each drug can include adult and pediatric dosage, dose adjustment, adverse effect, drug interaction, pregnancy, and more information that is available in the full Micromedex site, but not the mobile app. Include drugs ID, drug comparisons, and drug reference. Kindly like and subscribe channel. Bye. See you later.